Hey guys, welcome to my page. Just gonna do some videos on Vevor tools. This page is gonna be dedicated pretty much to saving money for people just getting into the industry, or if you're looking for a specific tool, I'll probably have it here eventually. So we'll get started today. We're gonna do a 3/4 inch Vevor socket set, a bolt extractor set, and a master kit. Let's get started on it. All right, first up's this 3/4 inch 29 piece set from Vevor. So we're gonna go from 3/4, and we're not gonna skip any sizes. We're gonna go all the way up to 2.5. Don't mind the frost on there, just pulled this out of my truck. So there's your 2.5, 3/4 inch. Now these are very heavy duty built. Put my finger up there so you can see how thick it is. Great set. I think right now they're $145 on Amazon, and I'll have the links down below for each one so you guys can check them out. But there is a little discoloration from the smaller size jumped up to the bigger size. I'm not in this for looks, guys. As long as the product works, I'm going to use it, and you cannot beat this set. It is great. $145. I mean, on the tool trucks, chances are you're going to pay that for one socket. So I've had this set in my truck for probably going on a year and a half now. I have used them a good bit and I have not had any issues with them. And if guys in automotive, if you're wanting to use one of these for a bearing driver, race driver, they work great too. I know automotive, you're probably not going to use the 2-inch sizes very often. So let's switch on over to the 29 piece screw bolt extractor set. Here, this one is from Vevor as well. Like I said, 29 piece, goes from 6mm all the way up to 3/4. You also have 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. It's some impact driver bits as well. But these, same thing, guys. These are heavy duty built. They are durable. They do grab pretty good. So if you're in the Rust Belt or come across the strip bolt head a lot, this is a good set. It's cheap, under 40 bucks. I'll also put this link down below. But go ahead and switch on over to the masterpiece set, 450 piece master set. So we're gonna get some wrenches. We're gonna go from 5/16 up to 9/16 on standard, and 11 up to 17. You do get some hex wrenches or Allen wrenches. Go from 1.5 up to 6. 1/16 up to 1/4. Then you have the smaller stubby ones, 1.5 up to 6, and 1/16 up to 1/4 as well. Some little baby mini wrenches. Let's open one of these drawers up here and see what we got. So this is the set I used in my shop just so I don't have to take stuff out of my service truck all the time. But you're running 4mm up to 14 in the deeps, 3/16 to 9/16 in the standard deeps, and you're getting 6-point, 12 points extensions. Also included in this set are the Torx bits and some Allens. Also a 1/4 inch driver. You can put your bit drivers in, and there's another drawer here with those, and I'll show you. 1/2 inch sizes down below, and then you got a 3/8 ratchet, 1/4 inch ratchet. No, they're not 100 tooth ratchets, but they're gonna hold up, and you're not gonna be disappointed for the price. It's your 1/2 inch set. 12 points, and there's also the inverted Torx bits. Here's all your bit drivers, 1/2 inch ratchet, adapters, some more Torx bits, some more Allens, and going to the last drawer here. This will be your 3/8 set. Pretty good. So you're running 1/4 all the way up to 1 inch, 6 all the way up to 21. 6 points and 12 points, shallows and deeps. You guys, you can't go wrong with Vevor tools. Honestly, they're good quality. Like I said, if you're just getting started, this is a great brand to look into and purchase and get started. Even if you've been in it for a while, it's also a great set. So I'll put these links down below. You guys don't forget to follow and comment.